Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Welcome back to CryptoCoins TV. I am Daniel J. Glenn, also known as the Crypto Keeper, and today we're going to talk about a brand new exchange called BloFin, which is going to give you added security benefits that I think most people are going to want when they start trading crypto. But before we get into it, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. That's the best way to ensure your financial future. So let's get into this. BloFin. What is BloFin? Well, it's where whales are made, of course. So what is BloFin? Well, this is an exchange where you can trade all of your crypto, and they've got a lot of added security benefits that I want to talk about. I'm going to get to the most important one first because I think this kind of sets the stage for how reliable is BloFin. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the main website, you're going to see that list that most people ignore: support, about, products, trade, all that stuff. Well, under service, you can see right down here, it says proof of reserves. So when you click on that, what's actually great about this is, so this tells you exactly how much crypto they have available to them. And these numbers are over 100%. You see Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all over 100%. Why is this important? Because what it is telling you is that if everyone on the exchange were to pull all of their Bitcoin, Tether, or Ethereum out, there would still be an excess amount available for people trading, which means it's not going to go under. And that we've seen a lot of exchanges fall because they're over leveraged. This one is not. Everything's in the reserve. So you're able to take everything out if you want to. It's always an option, is basically what I'm saying. So let's go back here. So BloFin. Let's go back to the main website. And, you know, this kind of gives you all the options that any trading platform will give you. You know, you may, if you're familiar with others, you're going to know. So, of course, you can buy crypto. You can do it via bank transfer. You can do reoccurring pay. You can even use crypto deposits, which is also really important, and OTC trading, of course. When you do crypto deposit, I believe, yeah, you can basically just set up your wallet, what you want to go in. You can draw crypto, buy crypto, sell crypto. So it's all kind of, a fluid marketplace that way. When you go to the markets, now this tells you a little bit of research here. What are the hot things? Now this is futures. I'm going to tell you to stay away from futures. You certainly don't. If you want to do the research and you want to do it yourself, we're going to stay away from it from an informational purposes. So you're basically betting on what the future price of something is, and you're kind of borrowing money as a credit exchange. I don't want to go into all the details here, but we are not going to cover it in detail. But if you would like to explore that option, it is available to you on this platform. So let's go to the favorites here. So you can see you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Doge. This gives you some of the hot coins, of course, spot trading. Now, one of the interesting things here that I think, for me anyway, is you can actually copy trade. So what you can do is you can actually follow other traders on the market, and you can see how well they're doing and just copy their trades. These are traders who have made all of their purchases public so that you can not purchases, buying and selling, right? So you can see what they've traded on the platform and you can copy them. You can organize this however you want. You can filter it, if you want to go the time range, how much are they gaining over what period of time, all this stuff. Here you can filter it, and you can kind of find someone who maybe has your level of risk, or is having a high return that you're interested in, or so maybe someone who's a little more modest who you think may give you more long-term viability. And whatever your choice is, whatever you're looking for, here's where you can find it, right here. So I think, to me, that's one of the more interesting aspects of this, is being able to copy other traders. And as you are learning, not everyone jumps in and knows everything about these platforms. So this is a way to kind of learn from experts who are doing it, copy their trades, get some of the benefit. It's kind of like riding behind an ambulance, right? You're getting that tailwind. So you kind of get ahead a little bit without having to do the extra work. But in the process, you're actually learning how people trade. I think this is a pretty fascinating option, if it's something you're into. So you can do that. And of course, the more. So there's other things that you can do here. So there's the activity center, the affiliates. So if you want to, if you want to, refer other people to the program. I'm sorry. An affiliate program means you get commission on what other people do. The referral program is you can have your friends and family when they sign up. I should know this a little bit better, right? So when you sign them up, you get get your beak wet on what's going on there. VIP program, then of course research and news. So there's lots of things that are available to you here, which I think is, I think that's really great. Now, one of the things that you can I want to show you one other quick thing here. And if you go up to your little icon here, mine's blank, but if you hover over this, you're going to see trading fees. Now, I think it's always very important to be transparent with everything. So on here, it's going to show you exactly what your fees are. And I think as you move up the ladder and hit VIP, some of these things start to go down. But here's the fee schedule. We're not going to go into it in too much detail here, but I just want to make I want you to know there are fees that are involved. Make sure you know what you're getting into. It's mostly for futures and spot fees, but it's very important to understand. I don't like hassles. I don't like being nickel and dime. I want to know where all of my money's going because I want to preserve as much of it as possible. And this gives you all the information you need so that you know where that money's going, and I think that's all very important. So this is BloFin, and I think this is there are a lot of security features that are built in. A lot of people really like this exchange. It's easy to use. You can kind of follow the markets, gives you trends, and of course, they being able to copy other traders, I think is really important. So this is a platform that I think is really interesting, but let me know what you think. This is about you. It's about the community. Tell me about it in the comment section. Do you use BloFin? Are you going to trade on BloFin? Are you switching to BloFin, or are you staying away from it? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget, you got to like, subscribe, pass on this video, share it with your friends. That is how we grow. So, of course, until next time, I want to thank everyone for watching.